This is what I see right now. Mom and Luke are snorkeling. They said they found a lot of fish. You can see the reef. So yeah, I'm in Cozumel, Mexico right now, and so far this is one of the prettiest places we've been. Really, really beautiful.
Look at him so casually. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, that is so funny. Did y'all see me? What?
Oh, Lou. Sorry, we forgot.
No, y'all didn't. Did y'all get? Did you
What are you
guys?
acting all shy for?
There's people staring at me.
Bravo!
They were like,
Show him it.
stop.
I can't believe they're doing that. Oh, that's funny because wonder if there's anybody else watching.
There he is. Yeah, we see ya. Oh, he's gonna do it.
Funny now.
Say hello to my little friend.
Dun dun dun.